Plant Defenses by KayScience.com. The first mechanical defense is thorns. Thorns on plants like roses prevent animals from eating the plant. So they prevent animals from eating the plant. Some plants have hairs on their leaves and stems. This to also prevent animals from eating the plant. This leaf has the ability to curl up. This is another mechanical defense. So if an insect lands on this leaf, the leaf will curl up rapidly and flick the insect off. So the leaf curls up when an insect lands on the leaf. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. The first physical defense we're going to look at is the waxy cuticle. The waxy cuticle is a waxy layer on leaves. This prevents pathogens from entering the leaf. The waxy cuticle is a waxy layer on leaves. This prevents pathogens from entering the leaf. This here is a plant cell. A plant cell's cell wall is made of cellulose. Cellulose helps protect the cell. If pathogens are inside the plant, it helps to stop pathogens entering the cell. So cellulose in cell walls is a barrier to stop pathogens entering the cell. This here is bark on a tree. And dead cell layers, like bark on trees, form a barrier against pathogens. So these are all physical defenses that prevent pathogens from entering the plant or cells. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Some plants have the ability to make chemicals that help defend them against pathogens and insects. Some plants produce antibacterial chemicals. So if a bacteria does enter the plant, that means the antibacterial chemicals produced by the plant will kill the bacteria inside the plant. This is a bacterial cell, and the antibacterial chemicals produced kills the bacterial cell. This plant has aphids feeding on them. And it also has caterpillars feeding on the plant too. So this plant produces poisons and releases them into the air surrounding the plant. This causes the insects to fly away, so they don't feed on the plant. This is another chemical defense of plants. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Press pause to practice using those key words. The answers will follow. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. And if you're stuck, just re-watch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes.